Cherries, cherries, so many cherries. What can we do with them to enjoy them when we want to? And I mean, not just in the summer, but in the winter too. Let me show you the easiest and fastest way to perfectly can your cherries. Wash your cherries and take the stems off. You can either leave the pit in the cherries or take them out. I will show you two ways on how you can accomplish that. The first way is with this cherry pitter, and I have a link in the description if you don't have one of those and would like to get one. The second way would be with this straw. Let me show you how to do it with this one. This is a regular straw. So you would just go in on one side and out the other side with the pit. It's a bit more messy on your hands, but did I mention this is a free tool? Personally, I like my cherries with the pit still in, but if I use them for a pie, then yes, I take them out beforehand. Now sterilize your glasses in boiling water if you have not done so yet. Take the cherries and fill up the glasses with them. And the best way is by using your hands, just the way I do it here. Then, when they're full, you tap them on the counter a bit so the cherries fall into place, and you can put additional cherries on the top. It's amazing how many extra cherries fit in here after you've done this. After that, take 2 tablespoons of sugar or stevia, because I have a husband who is diabetic and this is the only way he can eat it. And then sprinkle it over the cherries in the glass. Use warm water and fill up the glasses. Leave about 1 inch on the top. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the air bubbles, but we need to take out as many as possible to prevent it from not sealing correctly. Once done, take the hot lids and place them on the top of the glasses. I use this magnetic canning lid lifter. Long word, I know, but it definitely helps not burning my fingers. I drop a link in the description for this as well. Then screw it on, but not too tight, just hand tight. Next, you place all the glasses in a big stock pot and fill it with water. And then you cook it for about 20 minutes. If your pot is smaller, you can do this in batches. Make sure the water is at least 1 to 2 inches over the lids. Once the time is up, take the glasses out carefully. You will see that you need to retighten the lids. They are a bit loose. Once they are all tight, turn the glasses upside down. This will make sure that you get a perfect seal. Let them cool for about 2 hours and turn them back over. Now you can enjoy cherries anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video.